Hi guys, this is Awais back with another tutorial of AutoCAD series. So in this video I'm gonna discuss two things. I'm gonna discuss Design Center and a Content Explorer. So what basically is Design Center is? To access Design Center, on your ribbon go to your insert panel and then click on here Design Center. But I'm gonna show you the shortcut keys ADC, type ADC, enter, and you get this dialog box which is called a Design Center. So I'm just gonna go back so I can show you where you need to go in this Design Center. Here you got your library of your computer. You can access any folder in your computer. You can even access a local network drive which you can access. You can see that here as well. So the main thing what we're gonna do is you need to go this sample. Let's say I'll just minimize that for now. You need to go to this sample folder, maximize it. In the sample folder you need to maximize English-US, maximize that, and then there you can find this Design Center. So click on that and then just expand that as well. So in Design Center you got few drawings made by AutoCAD already. So let's say you are building a kitchen stuff. Let's say you got refrigerator, you got your cooking stuff there. So let's say you need to make a cabinet, right? Well, in most cases that you would like to make a cabinet, but in 2D drawings we don't really show what we are making. So we can use these cabinets made by AutoCAD already, so it's free for us to use. So just click on this kitchen, or you can expand that. Once you expand that, you got few more properties of this drawing. You have access to blocks, you got access to design view styles, dimension, you got access to layers. You can even import layers from this drawing to your drawing. But in this video I'm gonna talk about blocks. So just click on this, and then in this window you get this blocks. You can access block here as well, but I prefer using it here. So I'll just click on that. You need to double click to open that block. So in that file we got these blocks made for us, and it's very easy to use. So we got base cabinet, we got dishwasher, we got phone jack. So let's say in the kitchen area, right, I want to use this microwave. So it's already been made, and in 2D drawings all we have to do is just use them. So to bring these blocks to your drawing, you can do it two ways. You can just click and drag and it just drop it there, or you can just double click and it will pop up the insert menu, and you can type the name. You can change that name to your block and click OK, which is going to let you draw, but it's going to give you a few more options. Once you do that, you get the option of rotation angle. I want to keep that 0, and I press spacebar now, which will drop that. If you drag that, it will come automatically on a 0-degree angle. So let's show you a few more files we got here. I use kitchen all the time because I work for architecture stuff. So if you work for electrical stuff, let's say you got this file basic electronics, so I expand that and go to the blocks. So you got battery, capacitor. I don't know about these stuff, but just to show you guys, you can use these as well. Alright, let's go to home space planner. If you expand that, go to your blocks, you got a lot of stuff here which you can use for your drawing. Let's say I've got dining set here, I've got desk here. If you click on that once, you can see the preview of that block here. You got the sofa, you got piano baby, a lot of stuff here. So all you have to do is just drag them or double click to insert as a block. So this is about Design Center. I hope you like it. Alright, now let's talk about Content Explorer. It's a new service was introduced in, I think, AutoCAD 2012. It's basically you can access internet, and there's thousands of objects already made by AutoCAD or any other people who upload that for you guys to use. So I'll close that and I type Content Explorer. Oops, I just opened that again. Well, type content, it will finish up the command for you. Click here. Alright, so now I've got this dollar box here, which is called Content Explorer. I'm just gonna increase the size of it so you guys can see that. Alright, so in this folder you got few folders. Let's say you got a lot of products here. You got beams, casework, ceiling system, chairs. Trust me, there's like thousands of them available here. Alright, so now to access the internet library, you need to make sure that you're signed in your Autodesk 360 and you have access to the library. Let's find some chairs. Alright, so I will first, let me show you. You have to click on this arrow button and go to your Autodesk Seek. So make sure you're not on an Autodesk content service. If you are in there, then you have to search through your local library. Let's say you got few stuff in your drawing design center, but you don't know where to find them, so you can search for them right there. Just type the name and it will bring up for you. But in this video, I'm just gonna access the online Autodesk Seek library. So I'll double click on these chairs. Alright, once I click, it's gonna go browse the internet and show me products, whatever available. Let's say I've got this chair. I like this chair. Right, so to access that, to bring that in your drawing, so you got you can see the number of files here as well. So double click that, it will open that drawing. So in this chair, you got one 2D file and you got your 3D file, so you can use both. So let's say I want to use this 2D chair in this room. Alright, so to bring that, you can just drag that. It's so easy, and just leave your cursor there. And now it's gonna ask you for the block name, because it's gonna convert that chair to a block and it's bringing that from the internet. So it's gonna ask you to enter a name. So I'll type chair 1. Maybe I had another block before, so I click OK. It's telling me that chair 1 already exists, so I have to redefine. Click on yes, and once you click on your drawing, it's gonna ask you to enter the scale factor, but I want to keep that one, so I'll just press enter. Now it's asking me scale factor Y, so I just enter again. Now I just zoom in to show you what's happening basically in the drawing. So now after applying my scale factor, I've got this rotation. It's asking me to specify rotation, but I want to keep that 0. You can even type whatever the angle you want, but I'm just gonna type enter. Now it's asking me to block attributes. I can type part number options, I can give it tags, whatever you need. So I'll just click OK, and there you go. We got the chairs from the internet. Like the stuff we available in Design Center, they're not really good, and they've been there for like since AutoCAD 2000. So but on the internet there's a lot of cool stuff there. Let me show you the 3D model of that. I just drag that here and just drop it there. It's actually syncing that 3D model because the size is a bit increased, size is a bit large. So type the name, blah blah blah, enter scaling factor, yes, okay, yes, and rotation angle 0, done. Click OK, and then you got your chair. So you go to your 3D, go back to your home panel on your ribbon and change. Let's say you hold down your shift key and press your mouse wheel and just move. So I don't want to go to my 3D modeling workspaces. I've got few series coming up for the 3D modeling, so you can see that as well. Alright, so let's go for Fonts 3D Basic, and in the Visualize tab you can change that to space gray. There you go guys, you got your chair, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the information, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.